Chickens Part 2! Now some of you may have seen my other chicken video, but since then we've gotten 2 more chickens, Dusk and Dawn, and they're pretty cool. But I still have 4 other chickens. So, yeet. So yeah, But something I haven't mentioned yet is my chickens are bantams, which means that they're smaller than other chickens and don't lay as much eggs as a normal chicken. So, but yeah, I don't really like eggs. Story time. Story number 1. In 2017, when Epic and Diamond, and we put them with the other chickens and then went off to the shops to get food. And when we came back, we went to the chickens, but there was no Epic or Diamond. So we were like, oh no, where are they? We looked under bushes, around the deck, just around the house in general, and you'll never believe where they were. They were under the deck. I don't know how. Maybe they found, I don't know how the heck it happened. Maybe they found, a hole or something and thought this is a good idea. But they're fine. Story number 2. This one's being filmed, so this is that. Hello to the filmed bit of the Chickens Part 2 video. So we are renovating the chicken coop where our chickens stay. Here they are. Hopefully you can see them. See, I'll put a picture on the screen right now of what the chicken coop used to look like, and this is what we're doing to it now. So we're flipping it over, adjusting parts, putting more perches for the chickens to sit on, building a new roof, basically upgrading it a whole lot, and we're gonna paint it a nice purple colour.
There's a cyan colour.
Yeah, and a nice cyan.
And green tiara.
So we're putting in new mesh, fencing, so foxes and dangerous animals, like cats, can't get in and harm the chickens. So, yeah. And so mainly right now, the job that I have to do is... Chloe, please move. Hello, Chloe. How are you? Okay. So I'm building a new ramp for them, and I have to nail all this stuff. Yeah, I guess you could say I nailed it, but yeah. So, yeah, don't know why. So, if you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe. We also spent maybe an hour, just putting down bricks on the floor. But yeah, we spent a few hours yesterday putting down these bricks so foxes and cats can't really dig under. I don't know if cats can dig under, but if they can, they can't. And yeah, up there on the chickens, they're just having a drink here and running away from them. Hello. So yeah, that's this film segment bit of videos. Yeah, this is a double. I'll keep you guys updated, but this is what it looks like now. Okay, so story number 3. So this one could be argued as one of the most important of all of the stories, because it is the story of how we got the chickens, and I think that's pretty important. So this is in 2013. So my family got in our car, and we'll go for an hour drive to this place way up in the mountains to get the chickens. And yeah, it was an hour drive. I remember getting home and just running with the box of the chicken gently and opening the box and just watching them come out and explore the garden. And that was pretty good. And the coop costs so much, and we finally had the chickens, so I was really happy. Bye!